It's a wonderful time to actually study technology courses at Curtin Singapore, because the link to the Innovation Central in Singapore, the link to the health sector in Singapore, as well as what we offer in this space, is a really wonderful opportunity.
The program is developed in such a way that everybody who has a small interest in technology can come and work with us. It doesn't require you to have any specific skills before you come in. It is our responsibility to help you develop those skills and help you get forward with technology. What we are doing with Curtin Singapore and Curtin in general is that we try to work with more real-world problems, and when we're looking at problems and we're solving these problems, you're looking at examples not from the textbook but what comes in from real world.
Industry partnerships are critical, and our partnership with Cisco and of course with many other companies, that is really critical from the student's point of view. And really that industry relevant curriculum is what should drive the learning process for the students.
The partnership with Curtin is an obvious one, working with Innovation Central to drive innovation and adoption, and then working with vehicles such as the Cisco Networking Academy, which has been a long-held partnership with Curtin, to really educate people on the potential. Cisco has long believed in the power of technology to transform society. I think there's no greater opportunity than that we see now with artificial intelligence. It truly has the ability to transform economies, industry, society.
Singapore sits at that place where it is being the leading hub for innovation and technology. And I think that every Singaporean, every person who comes into Singapore should take advantage of this particular opportunity which Singapore gives and which Curtin is giving you to come in and embrace this world of technology and work with us.